Hey guys, and today this is the Cat Hunters episode 1. We're hunting for cats, and hopefully we see some. So like the video and subscribe. Need to be very quiet. You never know. None in there. We might take a while until we find one, because I'm not that here at this house that much. But yeah, I'm here. Some paint. And there's like lots and lots of scrap. Andre. I'm afraid I might chew you in it.
It's alright.
So do you want to be in it?
If you want.
There's Andre.
Right.
He works for John Belshaw. He's my sponsorship. So we're going over here.
Ginger kitten.
Where? We found a ginger.
He's called Socks.
Where is he?
He's just through there. You walk around and I'll make sure they don't come this way.
Where is it? In there?
So if you go around back to where we were before there.
Right. Right, you hold it. But I'm going to go around. Andre's over there.
Hopefully the cats will be there. It will most likely be near the wood.
Where is it?
Just down there. Hold this and I'll have a look.
There it is. Is it a wee ginger cat?
Yeah.
I need to try scare it. See if it's under here. See anything? No. There might be nothing, guys, but just going to keep on looking for this episode 1. So hopefully we can see the whole... There's a black one. A black one down in there.
It's under that bit.
Under what bit? I saw it. Where? There it is. See it? See it, guys? It's in that.
Go on, man. The door's around there. The door's around there, Dan.
Right, so guys, there's Andre, can't climb the thing. There it is! There's one. There's a black one. So did you see the black one, guys? You saw the tail of it. But we're gonna, where is it? Like, how do you feel of a cat outrunning you? He's getting interviewed here.
They're very small and agile, too fast for me.
Yeah. So what are you trying? 16?
Yeah.
And he works like. And you take the camera, see if you can see any cats, and I'll climb up here. I'll look if there's any here. Andrew.
The grass is flat here, so they've been lying down around and about here. Yeah.
Like, give me the camera, quick. It's way in there, guys. So we're gonna hide over here. I saw it. So it's somewhere. See, guys? We can't really see that much. It's grey, this cat. Hopefully we can see it. And chase it about with. So like the video and subscribe and comment and subscribe. And hopefully this will work. Hello?
There.
Where?
Around there, near them bags. Quick.
There it is. There's one. See it?
Yeah.
Can you see it run?
That sucks. Go
That's-
after him.
It sucks.
Stop.